Bye.
What?
The sun is coming out.
Oh.
Thanks for putting that back in for me. You gotta put it in all the way, buddy. You gonna run? Final Cut Pro came out with an update, and it does some like background noise removal with AI. So I'm gonna try it with my helmet microphone. I mean, I still think it's cool to be able to hear stuff, but when the wind gets really loud, it would be nice to have something better. I also, when I took my helmet off last night, my microphone came out of the dead cat, which I like to call dead mouse. It's like a little tiny fuzzy thing that holds the microphone. Grass clippings are the devil! What's going on here? Oh, he's painting the road. That's what he's doing. Oh, he's taking off the lines. That means they're gonna do something. Taking off the old lines, gonna paint new ones. Dude, when I just throttled it past that thing, my back tire spun. Oh, there's sand. Oh, it's all the paint all over the road. It's like all sandy and chippy. That's why. Oh, that's not good at all. That's dangerous. It's like sand all over the road. What's with these blinkers way down on the cars? I just don't know how that's safe. It's the same car that I just saw earlier. Like, it just seems like easily hidden by things. Like right now, I'm blocking for the car behind me what the blinker is doing. Of course, it doesn't really matter because we're in the turning lane, but you'll notice we haven't seen any other motorcycles this morning. Oh, look at the traffic, bro! Look at the traffic! Light's now red. Boopity boop, boopity boop. Multiple vehicles running the red light. Okay, so first of all, it's cold. It's like 60, I think. I don't know. Let's look. 57. So yeah, it's cold. 57. Cloudy. It's supposed to rain later today. So I got my wisdom teeth out a little while ago, and it seems to be that I'm biting my cheek more. I don't know if that's just something I'll learn, but where my teeth are not, that cheek skin is going into the tooth. So I'm biting my cheek. And then we've been having chips and salsa, which is salt and spicy. So now I have my helmet on, which is squeezing my cheeks into my teeth. It hurts. So now I'm cold and my cheek hurts, but I'm on my motorcycle. Worth it. It's gonna rain today. It's supposed to start at 2 o'clock. It was gonna start earlier, but now it's not till 2. So and then it's gonna rain until like 2 days. It's gonna rain today, tomorrow, and halfway through the next day. It's supposed to get like 1.5 inches. So I thought I'd get one more ride in before it starts. A cold ride. What does this sign say? Oh, great. Are they painting this? Well, it looks like I'm going straight. Well, we made it through there without getting blasted, sand blasted, or painted. Mission accomplished! Woohoo! Oh, there was a speed limit thing. I could have seen how fast I was going. I'm gonna go in this lot over here and then drive around because I want to see Lauren's new car. Well, you're gonna see the back of it. There it is. Hyundai Santa Fe. Okay, last time you saw me, we were, last time you saw me, I was pulling into the garage. No, you probably didn't see me pull it into the garage, did you? but it rained that day. My bike's been at the church in the garage ever since. So I finally had a chance to come and grab it. It's getting dark though. I probably need to switch my camera into the other mode. So we just got done with the graduation party right up the street here. So we thought we'd grab my bike. And then my wife found some free firewood. She's always scoping out Marketplace. Oh, that's a lot of firewood. Those are big pieces there, dude.
Dad, did you see me waving? I did not know they were going to be that big. Sorry. Did you see me waving?
No, I can't see you. It's very dark.
And you have your dark visor.
Yeah, I do. The picture made it look smaller, didn't it?
I did not know it was that big.
Are you? Can you even pick that up?
It's really green. They must have just cut it down.
Only put it where the blankie is.
Yep, only put it where the blanket is.
Well, it happens sometimes.
Okay.
Well, I gotta switch my camera. Because I had it in daytime mode.
Oh, your camera.
Are you kissing me or what are you doing? Oh, hi.
I'll come around. Bye.
Bye, Dad.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, the bugs. The bugs are getting me. They're trying to get in my helmet. Okay, well, we got a few pieces of firewood. My wife showed me the picture, and they did not look that big. Holy smokes. Okay, so something I want to do a little video on is this new feature in Final Cut Pro. So I used Final Cut Pro to video edit, and it came out with an update a few days ago with a feature called voice isolation. And basically what that is it uses AI to find your voice in the audio and extract it, or you know, be able to bring down the background noise. And now there's been stuff that does this in the past, but it makes it sound like you're underwater and it doesn't sound very good. This is amazing. Okay, so lately the videos that I've been editing, I've been running it at about 30% on my voice. That way you can still hear the engine and other cars and things like that. But I have an internal microphone in my helmet. It's called the Purple Panda. It's basically a lapel mic that is got a little fluffy dead cat. Okay, so I'm accelerating and here's my voice without voice isolation on, and now with voice isolation on. Look at the difference. I mean, it is windy out and I just got smeared by a bug, a very large bug at that, and you can hear the difference with voice isolation and without voice isolation. It's just a ton better. I mean, I'm going 50, 60 miles an hour into a 12-mile-an-hour wind. And I mean, okay, watch this. I'm going to take off here in a second, and I'll go between 0% and 100%, okay? You're going to see the difference. We'll go 0 to 100, because that was just on and off with the 30%, okay, before. Watch this. Get ready to be impressed, okay? Okay, this is 0%, and this is 100% voice isolation. You can totally understand me. I don't even have to yell. I can just talk normal volume, and you can hear everything I'm saying with 100%. Now, it does start to get a little weird when you get up into this 100% range, but I mean, here's 50%. 50% voice isolation. I am slowing down for a yellow light, and now it's red. We're at 50% voice isolation. Is this insane or what? This is a game changer, especially for motovlogging. A game changer for motovlogging, okay? That's my wife behind me. I can see the license plate. Blinky, blinky, blink. And you can see her because I have rear cameras. So the voice isolation isn't super necessary when I'm just chilling, but it still helps. I just leave it on. I just set it to 30% the whole way. I'm waiting for someone to move the wagon. Could you move that wagon for me, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's because there was a car in front of me.
Yeah, I saw that there was a car.
From Oklahoma. Can you move the chair too, please? They just think it's so funny that they beat me.
What is that?
Cooling fan?
Can I push the honky?
Can I push the honky?
No, people sleepy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
People sleepy.